In this video, we're going to talk about making your Prezi presentation viewable by other people. I'm not talking about the kind of viewable where you're both online at the same time and you're running the presentation, because that is an option that Prezi provides. What I'm talking about is asynchronous accessibility. That means somebody else can be online at a totally different time from you, and they can click the link you've provided, and they can see your Prezi, and they can click through it all on their own. So there's no synchronous action going on here. So there's multiple ways to present Prezi. So let's talk about the second form I just mentioned, where you're providing a link. The other person can just open it whenever they want using that link. Here's an example of sort of a wall that one might hit if you've shared your presentation in the wrong way. Again, this is just, by wrong, I mean, in this case, we don't want to do it in this fashion. This is the message that the end user gets when they're trying to open your presentation at their own leisure, at their own time. It says, please wait, the presentation hasn't started yet. And that's because this is the synchronous presentation format. So what I want to do is show you inside of I'm in edit mode inside of a Prezi that I am currently working on. And let's say that this Prezi presentation is ready to be shared. Then you want to come over here to share. And you don't want to do present remotely. That's probably what caused that message we just saw to pop up. You don't need to share on Facebook. You could download as a PDF and provide that as a second option for your viewer, especially if it's a instructor in a course that's grading you. It might be a good backup option. You probably don't need to do a portable Prezi. I know that I personally have trouble opening those on my computer, although maybe it's just something I'm doing. But generally, the PDF is sufficient. But what you want to do is the first option that I've sort of skipped as I went through these others. You want to hit Share Prezi. What this does is it brings you to this page. You can set the privacy level. This is a very liberal level here. If you have this clicked, it says allow public reuse and help spread ideas. That means that your Prezi can actually be downloaded and sort of copied, and people can build on it. And if you're okay with that, then keep this clicked. If you prefer not to do that, then unclick it, and now you see that it says this Prezi can be seen by the world on prezi.com/explore and via the link below. So here's the link that you can now share with your audience. I'm actually going to check and see if there's anything. I don't see a save down here. A save button. Okay, let's double check this and make sure that this is actually working. I'm in a different web browser now. I'm in Mozilla Firefox, and we'll test it and see if it worked. And it looks like it's loading. It says it's public, and it looks like we can see it, and it has been shared successfully. Let's go test it and see what happens now if we hit present remotely. This is the one that I think gives the error message. This is the one you probably don't want to do, but I just want to test it and see what happens. Okay. It says Kim Hewitt is presenting, but that's because I'm actually online presenting it right now. Guest 805 is this browser that we're in right now. This is my browser back here where I am presenting it. Okay. And it says invited audience will follow you as you navigate and present. This link expires 10 minutes after you close this Prezi. So apparently what happens on this one is when you're presenting it, it works for about 10 minutes or something, and then people can't get in any longer. And I think that's where this other message that we saw comes from. Alright, so anyway, kind of getting off track there a little bit, but you want to share the Prezi. You want to give this link right here, and then you can just close this thing and it should stay shared in that way. Okay, thanks.